Python is great language. You already know about it. No need to explain it. So today I will show you Python math mini project how to get the square root value. Okay, now go to our PyCharm ID and open window. Okay. First open a project name project 6, this window. Okay, import math class squad def self number self dot number equal number def find squad self. Okay, if self dot number greater than 0, print quote square root exists for positively. Okay, then else print the square root is okay def main number equal, so here I put input. Okay, J, enter the number. Okay, underscore squad equal squad number. Okay, object squad first find squad if underscore name score equal quote score main. Okay, main. Okay, now run the code. Okay, now here I put the value 4, then I get the square root 2.0. Okay, and the code is working. Okay, you can check.